Hey YouTube, it's your girl Tara coming back with another video. Hope y'all are doing well. Today's video is going to be my top 5 Mary Kay items. So we're going to get right into the video. So to start it off, I'm going to start off with what I use to take off my mascara and my eyeshadow. What I use is the, let me show you the container. This is the oil-free eye makeup remover, and as you can see, it's already separated. This is amazing stuff, y'all. I tell you, it is awesome. And it comes in a box like this, and it says Mary Kay. And on the back of it is for dry to oily skin. It's an oil-free makeup remover. And it says suitable for sensitive skin, fragrance-free, oil-free, suitable for contact lens wearers, ophthalmologist tested. I use this. I put it on a cotton ball. But before I use it, it says to shake it up. Make sure everything is mixed up. And when you shake it up, it'll look like this. I put a little bit on a cotton ball. Put it on my eyes for a few minutes or a few seconds. Count to 3 or 4 or 5. Everything is off. Amazing item for taking off your makeup. I would highly recommend this if you wear loads of mascara, eyeshadow. It will take it off. The next item would be the 3-in-1 cleanser. This is some really good stuff. Again, it comes in a box. I use the 3-in-1 combination to oily. I'm going to read what it claims, and what it claims is actually work. I've been using all of these products for about a month. It said cleanse, exfoliate, freshen, time-wise, 3-in-1 cleanser. Gently cleans away impurities as it begins to process to erase the visible signs of aging and restores the look of younger skin. It is no lie. I will be 40 this year, and I'm not ashamed of my age. And since I've been using this stuff for a month, I can actually tell the difference in my skin. Today I do have on makeup, but I've been using this consistently for a month, and I can tell the difference in my skin. This is the box that it comes in, and it comes in they have one for normal to dry and combination to oily. Comes in a container like this, and the consistency is a clear gel like this. And it doesn't suds up a lot, but it cleans your skin. And there's a little bit of micro beads in it that will cleanse, exfoliates, but it's not anything that's going to stretch up your skin or that's painful to your skin, but it is amazing. So those are the first 2 items that I want to show you. So once I take off my my eye makeup, cleanse my skin, the next thing I do is I use this age fighting moisturizer. Again, they have 2. They have the normal to dry that comes in a box like this, and they also have the combination to oily, and I use the combination to oily. And the box says it's a time-wise age fighting moisturizer. Firms, soften, and reduce the appearance of fine lines. Proven to hydrate for up to 10 hours. It is no lie. It does exactly what the box claiming. I mean, I should have done like a before I start using this. Like, I started like, maybe like April the 2nd, I think. Probably somewhere around April the 2nd. Today is actually May 2nd. So it's been exactly 1 month since I started using this. And I can tell a difference in my skin. If you can look at some of my past videos, maybe you can see my makeup applies so much better. I use this moisturizer at night, and I use it in the morning before I apply my makeup. At night, I use it after I cleanse my face. And my 4th item is this Time-Wise Firming Eye Cream. For our aging eyes, for our 1975 babies. Woohoo, that's me. I use this at night. It is a firming eye cream. Once I cleanse my face and put my moisturizer on, I put this on. It just direction says gently pat around the eye area. And I do exactly what it say. Pat around my eyes. And as you can see, my eyes are aging. But a lot of it is because I have allergies and I rub my eyes a lot. But I can tell that it is starting to work. And this stuff, this little jar of stuff is amazing, y'all. I mean, amazing. And I was introduced by Mary Kay from a soror, and I became a beauty consultant, and I have been loving it. I'm going to leave some information in the down bar. Hope if you're interested, you can shop my website to look at some of these items. There are a lot of things that Mary Kay has to offer. And my fifth and final item are these disposable facial cloth. Let me see if you can see that. They are, when I tell you messing up a white towel, you don't have to worry about. These are thick. I use one at night to take off my makeup. When I tell you I wear them, they will not rip. They are sturdy, heavy duty. Wipe away your makeup. They're not wet. They're just like a cloth, like a bath towel, but disposable. So you get 30 in a pack. They are worth the money. I use this to take off my makeup when I clean my face. They're soft. They're not anything that's going to tear your face to pieces. I can rave enough about these top 5 items that I am loving right now from Mary Kay. They are amazing. They're affordable. You have got to try these items. I cannot tell you enough about how great they are. So I just want to come and show you these top 5 items that I was loving for the month of April. This is not like an April favorites or anything like that, but just the items that I was loving for my face, because regardless of how much makeup you put on in a day's time, I mean, it's not going to do any good if your foundation is not clean. When I say foundation, I mean like your face itself. You got to have a nice foundation to apply your makeup on. These 5 items have worked for me, and I would love for you to shop my website. I will leave my information in the down bar. You know, register, shop it, tell me what you think about it, email me. I would love to hear from you. And of course, before I go, let me show you my face of the day. Let's see where I started. My eyes today, I use Anastasia Dip Brow. My eyeshadow is Naked 3. And my eyes, on my eye, let me see, you can see my top line. I used a gel liner from Mary Kay, but I'd applied it with one of my Artis brushes. I have to come back and show you that one. It makes applying that top liner so much easier. My foundation that I have on today is Black Up. I haven't used that in a while, but I'm in the color HC05. My blush today was, I just have on a little bit of blush from MAC. My lipstick is a lipstick from Kat Von D, which is Love. And then to top it all off, I sprayed my face with some Mario Badescu Rose Water. I put my makeup on this morning about 9:30, and it's 2 o'clock, and my face still look kind of fresh. And my hair is a week old twist out from today's Saturday, and I've been wearing this same style since last Saturday, so it's exactly 7 days old. So earrings, a pair of earrings that I got from this jeweler from Atlanta. They are Swarovski crystal with the Greek alphabets in it. And that's pretty much it. I am still loving my taper cut. It is growing out so much. I'm not sure how I'm going to do it this summer, but I think I'm going to color it like a brighter color. I don't know. But that's it. I know it's been a while since I've loaded a video, but they're coming. So before I go, I want to say thank you to my new subbies and to my old subbies. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. Oh, my fingernails. This is one of my Christian Louboutin colors I got. And if you want to see my collection of Christian Louboutin colors and maybe some swatches, leave me a comment down below, and I will do it. I will do a video. My nails are gel, and then the polish is on top. But these are my real nails, and they just have the gel polish, and then the polish is the Christian Louboutin polish. So that's my video. My 5 favorite things from Mary Kay. I hope you all are shop my website. So until next time, you two be blessed.